Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can take the headband off from your Apple Airpods Max. Why would you want to do this? Well, in my instance, there was bad corrosion down one side and it was stopping them from working properly. To do it, all we need is a SIM removal tool, because there's a little hole in here that we need to push this into to release the headbands. It's really easy to do it. So we're going to take off the cushions. These are just magnetic, so we just take them off like so. And these are the holes here, so I'm just going to turn them around this way. A little hole just here, and the same on the other side just here. That's where we need to put the SIM removal tool in. Now sometimes when you put them in, the SIM removal tool might miss and it might go down too far. So right now, if I put it in there, I can feel that it's hitting against it. But if I do it on this one here, sometimes it can miss, and you can see now it's gone down too far. So it doesn't matter how much you push in, it's not going to make any difference because it's not on the little spring. So just take it out and then push it in again, and there you go, that's perfect now. You can see how much it's sticking out, just that amount there. So we need to apply gentle pressure down. You don't need much pressure at all, so gentle pressure down, and then look how easy they release. Just like that, and then you can remove the tool. And this is a little connection that you can sometimes have corrosion on. There's two little pins on that side, and there's two little pins on that side as well. So let's take off the other side. So again, SIM removal tool in the hole, and that's how much it goes in. And now I'm going to press it down. Whoops, I think I've missed it. There. I'm going to press it down and out. And that's it there. So if you find that maybe your headphones are playing up, just see if there's corrosion built up on these things here. And if there is corrosion, you can get some isopropyl alcohol and give it a nice clean, and then hopefully that might fix your issue. Now to put them back again, all we have to do is line them up and twist them. So if we put it in here like so, you can see it doesn't go in very far. So I'm going to twist it, and can you see it's gone in further now, and it's made a little click noise, and that's it. When I put it back now, they are now locked into place again. So they're fully in. So we're going to do the same on this side here. We're just going to put it on, and we're just going to twist it until it locks into place. There you go, and it allows me now to push it in. And now, there you go, clicks in, and that's it. They are now both locked into place. And we're just going to pop the cushions on. With this, you know, because we've got an L here and an L here, so you're matching up the L here onto here, and we're matching up the right here onto right here, and you have a little sensor here and a hole just here. So that's it. That's how to remove the headband from your Apple Airpods Max. Thanks for watching.